Get ready to embark on an exciting journey with us as we explore the stunning Willemstad Curacao. If you're an adventure lover, this video is tailor-made for you. We're going to take you on an epic ride and show you the top 8 things you simply can't miss while you're in Willemstad Curacao. Trust us, you don't want to miss this. So buckle up and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. When traveling to new places, I usually avoid the typical tourist hotspots. However, the Otrobanda, Punda, and Pietermai districts of Willemstad and Curacao were truly exceptional. These areas offered a fascinating blend of history, culture, art, food, and entertainment. I thoroughly enjoyed exploring these districts during the day and at night to fully experience the diverse atmosphere. While there, I stumbled upon a floating bridge, discovered a hidden beach, uncovered some remarkable landmarks, and even took quirky photos with street art. Believe it or not, all of this can be accomplished in just one day of exploring Willemstad. Explore these 8 incredible attractions in Willemstad that you simply can't miss. Number 8. Riffort, one of the 8 forts on the island, is an integral part of the City Harbor UNESCO World Heritage Site of Willemstad and serves as a welcoming point for cruise ships entering Sint Anna Bay. The fort, which was formerly utilized for military purposes, underwent a transformation and was converted into a government building and later a police station. Presently, it serves as the primary tourist and shopping center of the Otrobanda district, owing to its convenient location that allows tourists to disembark from nearby cruise ships. There is live music, dancing, food, souvenirs, and other things that you can find inside the fort. During one of my last nights in Curacao, I walked through it to appreciate the fort's history and architecture. However, I didn't stay there for too long as I prefer to invest my time and money in less touristy places. Number 7. Queen Emma Bridge. I really enjoyed this bridge, and it's definitely an important landmark in Curacao. The Queen Emma Bridge is a floating bridge that links Willemstad's eastern Punda and western Otrobanda districts. It is known for its noteworthy characteristics. The bridge over Sint Anna Bay occasionally opens up on the east side to let boats enter the bay. The bridge usually opens for a brief duration and halfway to let the boats pass. However, on certain occasions, it opens fully for a more extended period to accommodate larger vessels. Fortunately, I had the opportunity to witness both short and long opening periods of the bridge. When the bridge opens, you get stuck in the middle and can't exit either side until it reattaches. I was thrilled when I found myself stuck on the bridge because it was unexpected. Unlike most people who wait at the end to exit, I had the chance to take some excellent photos without anyone in them. One aspect that I particularly enjoyed was visiting the bridge at night to witness the arch lights that stretch across the entire bridge. These lights display a range of rainbow colors and illuminate the bay with vibrant splashes of color. Number 6. Colorful buildings. The vibrant buildings spread throughout Curacao will undoubtedly catch your attention and keep you captivated. According to a popular tale, the structures in Curacao were once painted white. However, a previous governor attributed his headaches to the sun's glare reflecting off the white buildings. To solve this issue, he ordered the buildings to be painted in various hues. Curacao is well known for the vibrant houses lining the Sint Anna Bay in the Punda district. They are an iconic attraction in the area and make for a stunning sight from the Queen Emma Bridge. There are other rows to explore besides the one mentioned. In the Pietermai area, there is a row of vibrant one-story houses on Berg Altena Ard. It may surprise you, but these houses are actually inhabited by people. Willemstad and the surrounding areas of Curacao are adorned with more vibrant and colorful homes, including the grand plantation houses in the nearby Charlou district. Number 5. The markets. I discovered various markets near Sint Anna Bay in Punda. Among them, the floating market caught my attention. It is comprised of boats predominantly from Venezuela that offer an array of goods such as fruits, vegetables, fish, coconuts, and more along the shoreline. As I walked down the street, I came across several booths where vendors were selling souvenirs, jewelry, bags, and clothing, among other things. I purchased a ring and a necklace from one of the booths, and I really love them. However, they are not exclusive to Curacao. The salesperson informed me that the identical necklace is available for purchase all throughout the Caribbean. I presume that this is true for the majority of the products sold in this area. On the opposite side of the booths, there is a spacious circular two-story edifice commonly referred to as the New Market. While the lower level has numerous lots on sale, the upper level is home to Zeus de Plaza, a perfect spot for relishing authentic and locally made dishes. Number 4. Marichi Pier. The Marichi Pier can be reached with just a 10-minute walk from Queen Emma Bridge. Although it is situated behind a parking lot for the Peter Mai district and often overlooked, it is a great spot to get away from the touristy areas of Punda. I personally enjoyed the serene atmosphere of the place, as it seemed to be mostly frequented by locals who were swimming there. The pier provides a serene spot to enjoy the crystal-clear turquoise waters of the Caribbean. Number 3. Queen Wilhelmina Park. Queen Wilhelmina Park is situated in the charming Punda region of Willemstad, which is steeped in history. As I strolled through the park's cobblestone streets, I came across an intriguing historical sculpture that seemed to be overshadowed by 2 other word sculptures nearby, which were more suitable for Instagram. The sculpture in question depicts Queen Wilhelmina of the Netherlands and is positioned at the center of the square. It holds significant historical value. Wilhelmina was an extraordinary individual who ascended to the throne at the young age of 10 and remained the queen for an unprecedented 58 years, from 1890 to 1948, making her the longest reigning monarch in Dutch history. Furthermore, her business acumen helped her become the first female billionaire globally, which is truly inspiring. I took a moment to admire Wilhelmina before moving on to capture my iconic Curacao photo in the modern era. Number 2. Jewish Museum. Did you know that there is a historically significant landmark for Jewish people in the Caribbean? The Mikveh Israel Emmanuel Synagogue is located in the heart of the Punda district of Curacao. It is a remarkable and historically significant structure, as it is the oldest synagogue in the Western Hemisphere that has been in continuous use. The Curacao Synagogue was constructed in 1674 by a group of Spanish and Portuguese Jewish settlers who formed a community in Curacao after migrating from the Netherlands and Brazil. The community commonly refers to the synagogue as snow, which is derived from the Portuguese Ladino word yoga, which means synagogue. Daily tours are available for $10, except during the Sabbath. Upon exploring the interior, one can observe that the synagogue is distinctive as it has a sand floor. I have a personal fondness for encountering elements of my cultural Jewish upbringing in surprising locations. Number 1. Street art. As you stroll through Willemstad, it's impossible to overlook the abundant murals and street art. I thoroughly enjoyed discovering distinct street art in all 3 areas of Outrabanda, Punda, and Peter Mai. I have always admired Garrick Marchena, an incredibly prolific artist based in Curacao. What sets his murals apart is the profound depth of meaning they convey, which leaves a lasting impact on the viewers.
Do you agree with our picks? Check out these other recent videos from 10 Minutes Travel, and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.